Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So this time the Dogecoin warning for all holder of Dogecoin because the price come to zero point 0.2 USD dollar. If you remember, my brothers, the Dogecoin price just in only my friend before 1 month, so the price is 0.7 USD dollar. I remember, my brother. So kindly holder, absolutely, my friend. You can see this time 0. My friend, just in only I check out the last 1 month. Absolutely, my friend. You can see, but this time if you can see, my friend, the highest point. This time if you can see, my friend, the highest point here. If you check out, so the price is 0.7 USD dollar. Can you see this? This is absolutely reality, my friend, and they will near to 0.8 USD dollar. Absolutely, our target is, my friend, 1 USD dollar, but they cannot hit the target and they fails down now. So absolutely, my friend, especially last 2 months, my friend, you can see this is a 3 month chart, and last 1 month, my friend, they completely fails down. So therefore, you can see, my friend, the result is going to be very bad now. But in the same time, if you can see, my friend, they sometime they will hit, my friend, 0.4 USD dollar. Sometime they hit 2 USD dollar. But the current condition is going to be very critical now, because if you can see, remember, this time the chart result is going to be very bad now. And absolutely, my friend, there are reasons as that too, my friend. At the start of month, every cryptocurrency falls down, but this is the mid of month, so I don't know to why they falls down. But the reason is that, my brother, because short term investors, they are starting selling when they see to they will moving upward. Absolutely, they decide to this is selling time, but absolutely you are wrong. And warning for all of you, my brother, if you starting selling in this time when they moving upward, so exactly you are completely in the loss. You just can only buy more, and when they fails down, then definitely, my friend, sell it and take a very good profit now. So holder, please don't do this mistake and be safe from the loss. My advice is for all of you to please hold it and don't sell it and wait for a good time. I hope at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So why you are not waiting? Wait for the end of the month. I hope they will give you a very good profit now. So holder, please, the good news is also, my friend, I have one good news. The good news is that to the Dogecoin giveaway is coming soon now. So if you want to participate, just and only subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. When we complete, my friend, 15,000 subscriber, my friend, absolutely I will do a giveaway now. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.